I'm here at Peoria Ford and we're looking at our new 2019 Rocky Ridge F250. Check it out. This 250 is lifted by 6 inches. It's a Lariat. And you can see the little emblem right there. Has its lifting boards, as well as our Rocky Ridge emblem right there. And it's a 4x4, brand spanking new. As you can see, the inside of it looks pretty awesome. Sirius XM satellite radio, Sync 3 enabled. The back seat of it, it is diesel powered, as you can see. As well as look at the truck bed. Look at that. Tow package right there, Super Duty. Look at that exhaust. Come underneath here and you see all that is amazing truck. Peoria Ford will help assist you, to include myself, BJH499. Let's look at this. And look at that light bar. Look at that. That is one amazing truck. Come here to Peoria Ford to check out this amazing truck. Get you to a great deal. Check it out.